We are currently travelling in our van through Italy on our way to Tunisia, and all was going swimmingly until this popped up on the news. Torrential rain, gale force winds, flash floods and even landslides have been popping off across the country. Our best option was to find a safe, tarmac place to park and wait out the last 24 hours of the storm.
On our windowsill. Even though we've driven 2,000 miles south, we still can't escape the rain.
Big bugs.
Big bugs. Eyes of my face. There's some coffee in there.
Not my best.
I can always trust you to make a weak coffee.
You know, I like it weak. That's why I'm with you.
Shot down. Ow!
Well, apparently the whole of Sicily is under a thunderstorm warning today. So we're just gonna hunker down and just chill out, get some work done, enjoy the cozy vibes. Rain is always a good excuse to just stay in and enjoy the van. So before we moved into our van, I think we worried that days like this might feel a bit claustrophobic and that we would feel a bit trapped inside this 4-metre space. And And yes, that can happen when like the weather goes on for days and days on end, I'm not gonna lie. But knowing that this storm is only gonna last like 24 hours actually just feels like a nice excuse to slow down, indulge in like self-care, relaxation, even a little bit of productivity if we're feeling up to it. It's actually just kind of what we all need sometimes. The weather is a perfect excuse.
Level? Yeah. Boom.
Oh baby, come to mama. Delicious.
As much as we like the slow pace of life inside the van when it's raining, we also love fresh air. So now that the rain stopped, we're going to get 5 minutes of getting our steps in for the day. Honestly, we feel it's so important to get outside, especially when you live in a tiny little space. So like any moment that you can get out, make it a priority, because even just being out here for 5 minutes, we feel lifted, a bit more rejuvenated, and like now we can feel like we can go back and feel really cozy again. It's just great, honestly.
Thank you, sir. Well, I think that's enough fresh air for one day.
I agree.
We didn't come south for winter, you know, just to spend loads of time outside in the cold, stormy weather. So that's us for the day.
Oh, you got sand in the van.
I know.
I'm not moving. I'm just going to stand on my shoes.
You're going to stand on your shoes?
Until it's clean.
Okay, well, that's fine. I'll have the rest of the van to myself for the rest of the day. Yeah. Oh, lovely.
Nice.
Have you farted?
Yeah.
That stinks!
Pardon me.
Bit of a delayed pardon me.
I thought I could get away with it.
Silent but deadly, that one.
Obviously not. One of the bad things about being in a tiny space when it's raining is you can't escape the chores. Sometimes when it's nice weather outside, you can just close the door and forget about all the mess in here. But like literally one thing out of place and you think, oh, it's messy. It's my job to do the washing up. I think it's about time that I did some washing up today.
Kind of feel like time just like disappears on days like this because it's like 1:30 in the afternoon. I haven't even brushed my teeth yet. So one of the other things that we were worried about before we moved into the van was what weather like this would actually do to our power supply and our ability to keep working on the road. If you don't know, we work 3 days a week, employed or self-employed in Mix's case, and then the other 4 days we spend making videos and editing. So our power needs are quite hungry, and right now we're on 83%, and it says that we could last another 4 days if we got absolutely zero solar whatsoever. If you're interested in the setup that we've got, then we will put a little link at the top here. You can go and watch that video and find out what we've got. But for now, we really need to get on with some work. And as you can hear, the rain has just got even heavier. So tonight we are having roasted vegetable gnocchi bake in the Omnia. Very comfort food, warming, hearty meal. And I just love cooking in the van. Like, how good is this? Have a 2-burner hob, I can cook pretty much anything. But let me know if you have good veggie one-pot meal recipe ideas. Drop them in the comments, let us know, and we will give them a try, because this is just totally my zone. I'm so at home here. But it's not quite ready yet. Have to wait 2 more minutes. There we have it. The finished article. Roasted veg gnocchi, a bit of sautéed cabbage, sun-dried tomatoes, feta, and a mustard mayo dressing. God, it's like being at a 5-star resort.
It is, thank you.
You are welcome.
We are in cinema mode as well. Oh yeah. Come join me.
Okay. So we have come full circle and we are back in our dressing gowns, ready to enjoy a calm and peaceful evening at this park up. And seeing as it's a month till Christmas, we've decided we're going to watch our first Christmas movie of the year.
So if you want to find out more about our van and the things that are in it, go watch our van tour here.
First things first. Oh yeah! Sexy lights.